Hi guys, I just got my Color Restore kit in the mail and I thought I'd show you what's inside. First we have our instructions. Everything you need to know for a successful treatment application, as well as some really interesting tidbits about the product itself. The chelating shampoo, this is really important for the week before your treatment. I would say use it at least a few times before starting the application process, and definitely within 24 hours of starting the application. What it does is it removes the buildup and residue left behind by styling products, the mineral and calcium deposits in your water, maybe chlorine, excess sebum, everything that you may not be able to see, but if it's there, it can prevent hairprint from working very well. So definitely use this at least 2 or 3 times the week before the treatment. Okay, so it does come with a pair of gloves, a hair color brush, and then the Prepare. This is known as the pre-treatment shampoo. So if you have chelated and washed with a chelating shampoo the night before the treatment, you can do this the next morning. If you have previously dyed hair, apply the shea butter over all of the hair that's been dyed, and then apply this just to the roots. Just take a spray bottle and dampen those roots and work this into the root area, or really anywhere that you have grays, focusing on that new growth area. It can sit on your hair for 10 minutes if you have a sensitive scalp. If you feel like you don't have any sensitivities and your hair is pretty strong, you might want to leave it on a little bit longer. I would say leave this on about 20 to 30 minutes maximum. Now you will have rinsed that out with warm water and you'll be ready for the Restore, which is the pigment. So you will take a non-aluminum bowl and one that's big enough to hold a quart of liquid and apply the Restore powder with the Restore liquid, mix it together. As you mix it up, you'll see it expand and change colors. As you see it turn sort of a orangey red, that's when you know you've got 6 minutes to get it on your root area or get it on those grays. So work quickly. It doesn't have to be applied very neatly. Just kind of plop it on and then massage it in like you would a shampoo or conditioner, and that will process for 20 minutes. It's optional if you want to rinse after that step. If you like, you can just wipe away the excess and apply the second round of Color Restore. So again, you'll take the Restore powder, add the Restore liquid, mix it up. When you see it change colors, that's your cue. You've got 6 minutes to get it on your roots, and then that will process for 20 minutes. Again, it's optional if you want to rinse between the first and second step. However, if you are doing the Plus kit, you will want to rinse between the second and third round of Color Restore. This is the regular kit. The Plus kit comes with an additional set of Restore. So both of those process for 20 minutes. Then you'll rinse with warm water and then towel dry, and you will be ready for the Complete. Again, very similar process. Complete powder, add the Complete liquid, mix it up. You'll see it change colors. It will be a slightly different color, that's okay, and apply it to the root area. And this pushes that pigment further into the cuticle. So this will process for 15 minutes. After you're finished, you will rinse until the water runs clear. You may co-wash. I would recommend choosing a moisture-based conditioner, or you can just rinse. Do not shampoo for at least a day or 2 afterwards. And also it's best if you can avoid heat styling for also another 24 to 48 hours. And that's it. Everything you need to know to restore your grays without any chemicals. Thanks for watching.